Use Gemini in Google Messages. Open the Google Messages app, and first of all we have to turn on RCS messaging. So tap on your profile photo and here tap on Messages settings, tap on RCS chats and make sure to turn on RCS chats message. And now just go back to your Google Messages user interface, and here we can see the Gemini icon is showing. Just tap on that, and welcome to Gemini in Google Messages. Just tap on use Gemini, and here we can see the Gemini now activated in my Google Messages, and this is the official Gemini conversation. Here you can easily ask for anything. So I'm going to type in here. Let's type here. Tell me a joke, and let's see what happened. As you can see, Gemini has sent me a joke, and let's make some basic math here. So 8 plus 6 question mark. Let's see, can Gemini solve it or not. As you can see, Gemini is now working perfectly in my Google Messages. That's how you can just come to this Gemini conversation to ask something to Gemini, and you can go to our existing conversation and just tap on this Gemini icon, and then you will be able to easily translate any text, or you can generate a message reply using Gemini in Google Messages. That's it.